Hello guys, in this quick review, we will talk about the thing that we use to tinker with our keyboards. This is your keycap and your switch puller, and it comes in all sorts of sizes and shapes. And if you're deep into the hobby and you play around with your mechanical keyboard a lot, these are essential tools. And right here we have my favorite puller that I've been using. This one is the Keycap Puller from Keychron. I find it to be very nice and very effective. And these two are my switch pullers. So these are generic switch pullers. This thicker one I use most of the time, and the thinner one for the hard to reach places, especially at the edges. And they do the job pretty well, and they do it very effectively. But right here, we also have a new product from KEMOVE. This is the P10 2-in-1 keycap and switch puller tool. So in this short review, I'll give you my thoughts and opinion on this keycap and switch puller, and let's see if it's really effective. So this one comes in at $16.99. That's $17. And it has a very interesting design. It's a 2-in-1 wherein you can use the other side by flipping this wires over here as a keycap puller, and it's very effective. It's very effective as a keycap puller, and it's also very easy to use for larger switches like this one. All right, so there, flew away. And yeah, but what's interesting is upon using this for several days right now is really the switch puller, because I find that it's really effective and it's really easy to remove switches using this one. So let me show you. This is my traditional puller, and it's okay. It does it fast, so I can pull it fast like that. Sometimes it sticks. With the KEMOVE, all I have to do is simply put it down. The instructions in the manual is to pull it up. If I do this, I find some resistance. And what's good is after pulling it out, you have it here, and then you just push it down to release it. The way I use it for this keyboard and for most keyboard is actually to pull it down, and then before pulling it out, instead of pulling it out straight up, I pull it out forward like this. And so easy. It's really easy. All right. Sometimes it gets stuck. So it's really easy, and it makes the job so much faster, all right, and more effective, all right. And then yeah, you do get switches that are a bit resistant to being pulled out, but it works for most switches. All right. Okay, so of course the thing that everybody's asking is this worth it? All right. This is $17.99. If you buy a combination of these locally here in the Philippines, this will cost $2. So this one is literally around 10 times the price of your traditional keycap and switch puller. Does it do the job better? Maybe a little bit better, around 5-10% better. I do find that in some keyboards like the Zoom 65, wherein there are a lot of flex cuts on the plate, it kinda encounters a difficulty in pulling the switches. Almost impossible to pull the switches from the Zoom 65 using the KEYMOVE puller because of the plate flex cuts. But for most other boards, it works like magic. So should you buy it? I think this is a luxury tool if you're deep into the hobby and you want to do things faster. If you're a keyboard builder, this might really help. All right. But if you're just testing the field out, you're not really like building a lot of keyboards every now and then, the traditional tools will do fine. It will do probably just as good as the KEYMOVE puller. All right. But really nice that KEYMOVE is innovating, putting out products like this. And yeah, hopefully they can pull down the cost. I do understand this is much more. It takes much more effort to build this. It has moving parts and stuff like that. But then again, it does the job 10%, 20% better at 10 times the price. You be the judge and you see if this one is for you. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I hope you find this video useful.